All right, let's say I have two apps set up in a split screen view on my Android phone. But I then want to swap the order of the apps and change which one is on top and which one goes to the bottom. The toggle for flipping the order is a bit hidden, but we can do it by tapping those three dots in the divider line between the apps. When I tap it, you'll see a small button with two arrows, one pointing up, one pointing down. That allows me to flip the order so the app on the bottom goes to the top and vice versa. There's also a little star button that allows me to save this app pair and layout. Tapping the star allows me to save the app pair to my home screen, so even if I close this app pair, or close all my apps, or let's say I restarted my phone, I can just go to the home screen and locate the app pair from there. It remembers which apps I had saved, and it even remembers the order of the apps, so I don't have to change them again. And that's how you change the order of your split-screen apps. Click that like button if this helped you, and while you're here, might as well subscribe to my channel. I post similar, simple guides almost every day. Thanks all, until next time.